In a world of electrical installations, precision is paramount. Time is money and safety is non-negotiable. Introducing the Martindale ET6000 series multifunction testers. 3 models, 1 purpose: to make your job easier, faster and safer. Whether you're verifying the safety of an installation, testing the integrity of an EV charger, or ensuring compliance with the latest regulations, the Martindale ET6000 series is your ultimate tool. Starting with the ET6000, our entry-level multifunction tester designed for 18th edition compliance. Featuring a high-quality TFT display, this tester ensures clear, easy-to-read results, even in the toughest conditions. Its fast, reliable, high-current and non-trip loop testing capabilities make it the ideal choice for those who need precision without complexity. With auto RCD and ramp test displayed on a single screen, along with voltage measurement and phase rotation, the ET6000 keeps you informed and in control. Step up to the ET6300, the multifunction tester ready for the future. Designed with EV capability in mind, the ET6300 is perfect for those adapting to the growing demands for electrical vehicle infrastructure. With the EV adapter, testing EV chargers has never been easier. Its additional features, like low current continuity tests and a range of RCD tests, ensure you're prepared for any scenario. Supplied with the innovative TL180 slimline probe and test leads, the ET6300 lets you work smarter, not harder. For the professional who demands the best, the ET6500 is the ultimate tool. With 3-wire earth resistance testing, onboard memory, and the ability to export results directly into Excel, this model is designed to streamline your workflow. The included EV adapter makes it EV ready straight out the box, ensuring you're equipped for the most advanced testing scenarios. Store and download all your installation test results effortlessly, saving you time and reducing errors in documentation. The ET6500 isn't just a tester, it's a complete testing solution. Every model in the ET6000 series is built to Martindale's rigorous standards of safety and durability. With Cat 3 600 volt and Cat 4 300 volt safety ratings, these testers are designed to protect you and your equipment. From the entry-level ET6000 to the feature-packed ET6500, the Martindale ET6000 series multifunction testers offer you everything you need to stay ahead in an ever-evolving industry. The ET6000 series, an accurate, reliable and intuitive multifunction installation tester.